If you are running Cliniko on your website, you need to track all the user information of your patient, and you need to send this data to your Google Ads or Meta Ads. But Cliniko only provide from submit event, but it is very difficult to track user data on Cliniko software. And I made a code for enhanced conversion tracking. For user data information, you need to send this user data to Google or Meta for better ad optimization. I'll show you only the GA4 how you can track this. And if you struggle to track Cliniko event with user data, and I'm happy to help you for this project. Let me show you how you can track this. So this is our Cliniko software. If I click on here, you can see the view frame source, or if I click here and in console you can see the Cliniko link here. So how you can track this? I have already created this code, and if I submit this schedule form, okay, you can see our booking is complete. If I click here, and you will see an event called Cliniko booking confirm. In here you can see the email, phone number, first name and last name. This means the user data is here. We can send this data to our Google or Meta Ads for better ad optimization. Let me show you for GA4. Just copy this event. And if I check here, you can see our GA4 event is fired. If I check here, the Cliniko event will come after 1 and 2 seconds. Here it is. This is our Cliniko form. So everything is worked perfectly. Okay.